I just realized that my slime was starting to get super rough and not as stretchy as it looked as when I got it. Now, I'm not complaining because, well, I am, because it's still super stretchy, but I decided to fix it. I cannot live with this. I forgot my bowl! That should be good. Meh, a little much. That's better. You know, let's scoot you away from me, Alexa. Oh, please. Time to get spreading. Okay, it's been a couple minutes now. Okay. Now let's mix. Okay, I'm just gonna mix it a bit more. And then I think I'm gonna dip it in the water again. One more time. Ooh. I'm back. Let's get mixing. Ugh. What? What have I done? Or what has the slime done? That wasn't my fault. Let's dump this baby out. Dry her off. Good enough. Guys, rate it before or after. Love y'all. Bye.